Hello to Mami Malu Kirong. Happy birthday po. Sana lagi kayong healthy at masaya. And we have many more birthdays to come.
Hello po, si Roderick Palati po ito. Mami Malu Kirong, gusto lang po kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Basta ang wish ko lang sa iyo, good health, happiness, and abundance in life. Take care of yourself and God bless you. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Malu Kirong, and may you have many more birthdays to come. Ingat po kayo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mami Malu Kirong. This is Ian Fernandez. Anyway, ingat po kayo lagi and be safe, healthy, and happy.
Hi, Mami Malu. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day and God bless po. Ingat.
Malu Kirong. Thank you so much sa pag-support sa vlog and hopefully I get to meet you one day. Thank you.
Hi, Miss Malu. This is Diana Zubiri. Thank you so much kasi balita ko po palagi kayong nanonood ng vlog namin. Kaya eto na, nandito na po ako sa Fast Talk. Sana po abangan nyo rin. And I hope mamit kayo very soon. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Bye-bye!
Hi, Mama Malu. I just want to thank you for your support. I heard from your daughter na sinusuportahan niyo ako. Ayan, all these years. Maraming salamat. Stay healthy and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you, Malu. Sana this day will be extra special.